Today, we're diving into something extraordinary that's already making waves across the tech world. Brace yourselves because the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is here, and it's redefining the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. From stunning design upgrades to jaw-dropping specs, this device is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Stick around because there's a lot to uncover, and trust me, you won't want to miss what we've saved for the end. Samsung has outdone itself with the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you thought last year's S24 Ultra was sleek, wait until you see this. The S25 Ultra ditches sharp edges for smooth, rounded curves, making it incredibly comfortable to hold. The mid-frame elegantly transitions into the back panel, offering not just ergonomics, but a premium feel that screams luxury. Add to that ultra-thin symmetrical bezels around a nearly bezel-less 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, and you have a design masterpiece. But that's just the beginning. Samsung has stepped up its game by including flat metal sides, reminiscent of high-end professional tools, which add durability and style. The rear design is clean and futuristic, featuring 4 powerful cameras, including the revolutionary periscope-style lens. This phone is designed to turn heads and make you feel like you're holding the future in your hand. Now let's talk about the powerhouse specs. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra lies the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring lightning-fast performance whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Coupled with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, this phone handles everything you throw at it with ease. It also comes with up to 1 TB of storage, perfect for those who love capturing high-res photos and videos without worrying about running out of space. Speaking of cameras, this is where the S25 Ultra truly shines. Samsung has equipped it with a 200-megapixel primary sensor capable of capturing breathtaking details. It's accompanied by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel secondary telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. And let's not forget the 12-megapixel front camera that ensures your selfies look flawless every time. These cameras aren't just about megapixels, they're about possibilities. Imagine shooting 8K videos that look cinema-worthy or snapping photos in low light that rival professional cameras. Samsung's advanced image processing powered by AI takes care of noise reduction, color accuracy, and sharpness, making every shot a masterpiece. Of course, power means nothing without durability, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't disappoint. With an IP68 rating, it's both water and dust resistant, making it ready for any adventure. The 5,000 mAh battery ensures that you can keep going all day. To 45V fast charging, you're back to full power in no time. Wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, yes and yes. Samsung thought of everything. But what truly sets the Galaxy S25 Ultra apart is how future-proof it is. Samsung is promising 7 years of Android updates. Think about it, this phone will still be relevant and up-to-date when many others have been forgotten. This isn't just a device, it's an investment in cutting-edge technology that keeps evolving, and here's where it gets even more interesting. Rumors suggest that Samsung is bringing back its fan-favorite storage doubling pre-order deal. Imagine getting 512 gigabytes of storage for the price of 256 gigabytes. Combined with no expected price hikes, this deal is too good to pass up. So, what's the verdict? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just another smartphone. It's a leap into the future of mobile technology. With its groundbreaking design, powerhouse performance, unmatched camera setup, and long-term value, this phone sets a new standard for flagships. Are you ready to embrace the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Which feature excites you the most? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because we have a lot more exciting tech content coming your way. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.